GetAccept within your Salesforce CRM has never been easier. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new site for the GetAccept listener. To do this, simply click the gear in the top right corner and select Setup. In the left-hand menu, search and click on Sites. Scroll down and click New. In the setup, choose your site label and name. This can be anything, but we'll call it GetAccept Listener to keep it easy. In the default web address, add Listener to the end of the URL. Click the Active checkbox, and in the active site homepage, type File Not Found. Scroll down and save the site. Next, visit the Salesforce App Exchange. Search and select for GetAccept. Choose Get It Now, and then Install in Production. Click Confirm and Install, but don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions and allow us to message you about product updates. Select your login and choose to install for all users. Grant access to GetAccept and click Continue. Installation may take a few minutes, but once complete, click Done. You will now see GetAccept as one of your installed packages. After install, go into the GetAccept package and click View Post-Install Instructions. A prompt will appear. Simply enter your GetAccept login credentials, paste the full GetAccept listener URL you created earlier, check Download Side Documents, and then click Save. The GetAccept module can now be added to any Salesforce object. In this example, we'll add it to the opportunity. Simply go to the object you want GetAccept to be present, click the gear in the top right, and select Edit Page. Scroll to the bottom of the left menu until you see GetAccept. Click and drag it to where you would like it on the page. In this example, it will be placed above the opportunity details. Next, click and drag related lists where you would like them on the page as well. This is where your signed GetAccept PDFs will be uploaded. You can now return to the opportunity page and use your GetAccept credentials to log into the integration. The last step is to revisit the site we created earlier. Simply search for sites, click on the GetAccept listener site, and then choose Public Access Settings. Select Enabled Apex Class Access and add the GetAccept listener class to the right side to enable it. You have now connected GetAccept with Salesforce and can deliver sendouts right within your CRM.